In today's video, we're going to take a look at the accessibility features from within Microsoft Outlook. Welcome to the Accessibility Guy channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. Alright, I have a sample email open from within Microsoft Outlook, the desktop version. I'm going to put in some dummy text into the body, and let's try to make this email accessible. So first things first, this introduction text. I want to select the text, and on Format Text, I have a Styles window over on the right-hand side. I can then choose a heading 1 from the options. This allows me to build in accessibility directly in the email. Now, if I go on to the tables, we can select Table Design. This allows us to set our style options. I'm going to choose header row and deselect first column, and then let's choose our table style. And I'm just going to choose a simple style. We can adjust table shading, the borders, and so on. But right now, we're just trying to make it accessible. Then let's move on to our image. And I'm going to select picture format. Now from here, we can choose alt text, and this will allow us to enter in our alt text directly from within Outlook. And this is going to be the Accessibility Guy logo. And there's no save button. We can just X out of that. We can then select the review tab and choose check accessibility. And as of now, it does not find any errors from within our email. That concludes today's very brief video on an overview of the accessibility features from within Microsoft Outlook. If you want to join the exclusive Accessibility Guy community, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.